Om Birla, three-time BJP MP, was elected the Lok Sabha Speaker for the second time on Wednesday after he defeated India Bloc's candidate K. Suresh via voice vote in a rare contest. Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla also condemned the decision to impose emergency in 1975, observed a 2-minute silence in memory of citizens who lost their lives during the period, triggering vociferous protests and sloganeering from the opposition.
Shri Om Birla is declared elected as the Speaker of this House.
Om Birla is back in the Speaker's chair in the Lok Sabha, becoming only the second presiding officer to return after having served a full term after Congress's Balram Jakhar. The NDA candidate won against opposition's K. Suresh after a voice note.
Those against may say no. I think the ayes have it.
In a rare moment of bonhomie, the Prime Minister, newly appointed LOP, then escorted Om Birla to the Speaker's chair.
Please.
ये सदन का सौभाग्य है कि आप दूसरी बार इस आसन पर विराजमान हो रहे हैं। आपको और इस पूरे सदन को मेरी तरफ से मैं बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूं। आपकी अध्यक्षता में संसद में जो ऐतिहासिक निर्णय हुए हैं, आपकी अध्यक्षता में सदन के माध्यम से जो सुधार हुए हैं, ये अपने आप में एक सदन की भी और आपकी भी विरासत है।
The opposition, however, had some terse words for Om Birla.
Speaker Sir, it is very important that cooperation happens on the basis of trust. It is very important that the voice of the opposition is allowed to be represented in this House.
आपका अंकुश विपक्ष पे तो रहता ही है, लेकिन आपका अंकुश सत्ता पक्ष पे भी रहे।
150 लोग जब सस्पेंड हुए तो हम सबको बहुत दुख हुआ सर। तो हमारी कोशिश रहेगी कि अगले 5 सालों में इस सस्पेंशन का आप ना सोचे, बातचीत हो सकती है, हमेशा हम डायलॉग के लिए तैयार रहते हैं।
But a storm erupted in Parliament soon after when the Speaker invoked the emergency.
भारत की पहचान पूरी दुनिया में लोकतंत्र की जननी के तौर पर है। भारत में हमेशा लोकतांत्रिक मूल्यों और वाद संवाद का समर्थन हुआ, हमेशा लोकतांत्रिक मूल्यों की सुरक्षा की, उन्हें हमेशा प्रोत्साहित किया गया। ऐसे भारत पर श्रीमती इंदिरा गांधी द्वारा तानाशाही थोप दी गई, भारत के लोकतांत्रिक मूल्यों को कुचला गया और अभिव्यक्ति की आजादी का गला घोटा गया।
Inside Lok Sabha, the opposition raised slogans in protest. Outside, the BJP staged a big protest.
ये बहुत ही ऐतिहासिक दिन था जब काली इमरजेंसी के 50 साल पूरे हुए, तो आज 18वीं संसद में माननीय स्पीकर साहब ने इस प्रस्ताव के माध्यम से वो सच्चाई रखी। सिर्फ और सिर्फ इंदिरा गांधी की कुर्सी बचाने के लिए ये इमरजेंसी लगाई गई थी।
The speaker, unfortunately, really discussing a matter that's raising a matter that had not been discussed in the House. The attitude of the opposition parties was well expressed by Rahul Gandhi as leader of the opposition when he said that, we want the people's voice to be heard in this House, and that's what we're here for.
After Om Birla's statement in the House, Prime Minister Modi to put out a message thanking him for speaking on the emergency. He also attacked the Gandhis and the Congress, saying that the emergency era exemplified dictatorship. The parliament showdown is only set to escalate. With Piyush Mishra, Mausami Singh and Ashutosh, Bureau Report, India Today.
All right. Om Birla got a second term as the Speaker today, but the big fight, in fact, is over the post of the Deputy Speaker. Remember, it all actually started over non-commitment from the government over the post of the Deputy Speaker that the opposition has been upset about. So what is this post and what is the power of the Deputy Speaker? Acting Speaker assumes role of Speaker in the absence. Essentially, the Deputy Speaker takes charge when the Speaker isn't there. Presiding officer and presides over Lok Sabha sessions in the Speaker's absence. Rule interpretation. All references to Speaker in Parliament apply to the Deputy Speaker as well. Decision making. Decisions on procedural matters during sessions is taken by the Deputy Speaker. Representation. It represents Lok Sabha in ceremonial functions, so that also is an authority. What about the committee role? May chair parliamentary panel meetings to oversee legislative matters. I'm going to go straight across to Mausami Singh, getting us more details on that story as far as what to expect in the days to come is concerned. Mausami, the role of the Deputy Speaker, is that question still there or is that a closed chapter? It all started from the fight over non-commitment from the government at the post of the Deputy Speaker, and it lingered on that fight that we saw today play out in Parliament, isn't it, Mausami?
That's right, Sneha, and the storm could actually brew more over in the upcoming days as far as, the tussle for the Deputy Speaker's post is concerned. The India bloc is almost prepared that the government would offer that post to one of its allies, and thereby our sources tell us that it will be a 200% pitch by the India bloc to claim that post, even as the Article 93 says that the Lok Sabha will elect a speaker and shall have a speaker and a deputy speaker. Thereby, the India bloc wants to underline the importance of having a deputy speaker, unlike in the 17th Lok Sabha when the government evaded that repetitive question by the opposition as to why the Deputy Speaker's post was vacant. This time round, that tussle has come to the fore in the first 3 days itself, and that brewed up into a contest as far as the Speaker's post is concerned, and we saw how through a voice vote Om Birla was elected. So clearly, in the upcoming days, K. Suresh is the candidate for the India bloc. They will be awaiting the dates, even as the chair would decide when, if there is a contest, when that has to happen, and it will follow the same protocol as filing of nominations and then the elections.
All right, Mausami, I'm going to thank you for getting us those details. So clearly a lot of work left to be done as far as the fight for the Deputy Speaker's post is concerned. It's clear that there is going to be a fight. Well, the Constitution versus Emergency showdown also is getting bigger and playing out in Parliament. Take a look.
1975 early morning 6 a.m. Then Prime Minister Srimati Indira Gandhi called emergency cabinet meeting and ratified post facto the single decision. Prime Minister took the decision alone. That is why today we passed the resolution in the House that such trumpulation of such demolition of the Constitution will not be allowed again. So we have taken a...
आज सोचने का विषय है कि कांग्रेस कभी अपने आदत से बाज न आ। देश के नौजवानों को ये संसदीय व्यवस्था में जो एक बीच के कालखंड में 75 में इमरजेंसी लगा, उसे नौजवानों को जानने का जरूरी है।
We had all the opposition leaders standing up and saying that they hoped that the Speaker would conduct the House in a manner that was fair to all the opposition parties and that would take everyone's point of view into account. The Speaker, unfortunately, really discussing a matter, raising a matter that had not been discussed in the House. The attitude of the opposition parties was well expressed by Rahul Gandhi as leader of the opposition when he said that, we want the people's voice to be heard in this House, and that's what we're here for.
एजेंसी को लगे 75 साल होने को आ रहे हैं, वो दौर अभी भी जिन लोगों ने उस वक्त वो यातनाएं झेली, जो लोग उस वक्त प्रताड़ित हुए, मेरे खुद के पिता उनमें से एक भोगी रहे हैं जिनको उस दौर में बंदी बनाया गया, सारे अधिकारों को छीना गया। तो ऐसे में आज जब सदन ने इसको लेकर जब इसकी निंदा जब रखी, ये एक ऐसा समय है जिसको आने वाली पीढ़ी को भी भविष्य में इससे सीख लेकर आगे बढ़ने की जरूरत है।
अपनी दादी के, अपने पिताजी के नाम पर जो है वो वोट बटोरते हैं, तो उनके किए गए कारनामों की भी क्या वो जिम्मेदारी लेते हैं? और आज जो संविधान की सबसे ज्यादा दुहाइयां देती हैं, ये भी जरूरी है कि उनका खुद का ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड वो देखें। संविधान की जिस तरह से धज्जियां उड़ाई गई हैं और जिस तरह से गला घोटा है इमरजेंसी के द्वारा, और सबके संवैधानिक अधिकार जो है इन्होंने छीन लिए थे, वो सब भी हम बार बार दुनिया को याद दिलाएंगे ताकि इस तरह का खिलवाड़ जो है संविधान से